So first things first, this is a first generation device from Apple, which we don't see very often, but it is an augmented reality / virtual reality headset with a bunch of cameras and sensors inside that you strap to your face. It'll start at $3,500 and it'll go on sale starting sometime early next year. Nobody's been able to shoot video of using it yet, so I'm gonna have to do my best with descriptions here, but fundamentally, this isn't something that's paired to your iPhone or your Mac by default. It's a standalone computer with an M2 chip inside, its own Wi-Fi connection, a roughly 4K micro OLED display for each eye, a set of speakers right above each ear on the band, and then a dedicated new R1 chip, which is doing all of the real-time processing from all the sensors that make this headset pretty special, but we'll get to that in a second. So all right then, how does it work? Well, basically we've seen VR headsets and AR headsets before. It's typically there's screens on the inside, and then on the outside there's some sort of shell which has some sensors on the outside that help detect what is in your room around you and help to see the controllers in your hands. But with this one, there are no controllers at all.